BPL 2026 All Teams Final Squad. Dhaka Capitals 18 members squad. Taskin Ahmed, bowler from Bangladesh. Saif Hassan, batsman from Bangladesh. Alex Hales, batsman from England. Osman Khan, all-rounder from Pakistan. Shamim Hossain, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Mohammad Saifuddin, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Mohammad Mithun, batsman from Bangladesh. Taizul Islam, bowler from Bangladesh. Mohammad Sabbir Rahman, batsman from Bangladesh. MD Nasir Hossain, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Tufail Ahmed, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Irfan Shukkur, batsman from Bangladesh. Abdullah Al Mamun, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Maruf Mridha, bowler from Bangladesh. Zaid Ullah, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Moinul Islam, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Dasun Shanaka, all-rounder from Sri Lanka. Zubaid Ullah Akbari, all-rounder from Afghanistan. Rangpur Riders 18 members squad. Nurul Hassan Sohan, wicket-keeper batsman from Bangladesh. Mostafizur Rahman, bowler from Bangladesh. Khaja Nafe, batsman from Pakistan. Sufyan Mukim, bowler from Pakistan. Liton Das, wicket-keeper batsman from Bangladesh. Tawhid Hriday, batsman from Bangladesh. Nahid Rana, bowler from Bangladesh. Rakibul Hassan, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Alis Al Islam, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Mrityunjay Chaudhary, bowler from Bangladesh. Naim Hassan, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Kamrul Islam Rabbi, bowler from Bangladesh. Mahmudullah Riyad, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Abdul Halim, bowler from Bangladesh. Iftikhar Hussain Ifti, batsman from Bangladesh. Mehdi Hassan Sohag, bowler from Bangladesh. Emilio Gay, batsman from Italy. MD Akhlaq, wicket-keeper batsman from Pakistan. Noakhali Express final squad. Shoumo Sarkar, batsman from Bangladesh. Hassan Mahmood, bowler from Bangladesh. Johnson Charles, wicket-keeper batsman from West Indies. Kushal Mendis, wicket-keeper batsman from Sri Lanka. Zakir Ali, wicket-keeper batsman from Bangladesh. Mahidul Islam, wicket-keeper batsman from Bangladesh. Habibur Rahman Sohan, batsman from Bangladesh. Mohammad Mushfiq Hassan, bowler from Bangladesh. Shahadat Hussain Dipu, batsman from Bangladesh. Rezaur Rahman, bowler from Bangladesh. Nazmul Islam Opu, bowler from Bangladesh. Abu Hashim, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Mehdi Hassan Rana, bowler from Bangladesh. Muhammad Shaukat Ali, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Sabbir Hussain, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Rahmanullah Ali, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Ehsanullah Khan, bowler from Pakistan. Haidar Ali, batsman from Pakistan. Select Titans 18 members squad. Mehdi Hassan Miraj, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Nasum Ahmed, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Muhammad Amir, bowler from Pakistan. Saim Ayub, all-rounder from Pakistan. Parvez Hossain Imon, wicket-keeper batsman from Bangladesh. Syed Khaled Ahmed, bowler from Bangladesh. Afif Hussain Dhruvo, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Rani Talukdar, batsman from Bangladesh. Mohammad Zakir Hassan, wicket-keeper batsman from Bangladesh. MD Ruel Mia, bowler from Bangladesh. Ariful Islam, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Ebadat Hussain, bowler from Bangladesh. Mominul Haq, batsman from Bangladesh. Shahidul Islam, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Ferdos Javed, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Tawfiq Khan Tushar, wicket-keeper batsman from Bangladesh. Angelo Matthews, all-rounder from Sri Lanka. Aaron Jones, batsman from Juktarashtra. Rajshahi Warriors 19 members squad. Tanjid Hassan Tamim, batsman from Bangladesh. Nazmul Hussain Shanto, batsman from Bangladesh. Mohammad Nawaz, all-rounder from Pakistan. Sahibzada Farhan, batsman from Pakistan. Tanjim Hassan Saqib, bowler from Bangladesh. Yasir Ali Rabbi, batsman from Bangladesh. Akbar Ali, batsman from Bangladesh. Ripon Mondol, bowler from Bangladesh. Jishan Alam, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Hasan Murad, bowler from Bangladesh. Abdul Ghaffar Saklain, bowler from Bangladesh. SM Mehrab Hassan, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Rabiul Haq, bowler from Bangladesh. Mushfiqur Rahim, wicket-keeper batsman from Bangladesh. Shakir H. Shubro, batsman from Bangladesh. Wasi Siddiqui, all-rounder from Bangladesh. MD Rubel, bowler from Bangladesh. Dushant Ishara Hemanto, all-rounder from Sri Lanka. Jahandat Khan, all-rounder from Pakistan. Chittagong Royals 18 members squad. Sheikh Mehdi, bowler from Bangladesh. Tanvir Islam, bowler from Bangladesh. Abrar Ahmed, bowler from Pakistan. Naim Sheikh, batsman from Bangladesh. Muhammad Shariful Islam, bowler from Bangladesh. Abu Haidar Rani, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Mahmudul Hassan Joy, batsman from Bangladesh. Mofizul Islam Robin, batsman from Bangladesh. Shumon Khan, bowler from Bangladesh. Ziaur Rahman, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Arafat Sani, bowler from Bangladesh. Mukidul Islam, bowler from Bangladesh. MD Mukidul Islam Mugdho, batsman from Bangladesh. Shubhagato Hom Chaudhuri, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Salman Hussain, all-rounder from Bangladesh. Shahidul Zaman Khan, wicket-keeper batsman from Bangladesh. Niroshan Dikwela, wicket-keeper batsman from Sri Lanka. Angelo Pereira, all-rounder from Sri Lanka.